In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Adobe Express link. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the correct file that you want to send to someone else. This is important because the share link will be tied to the specific design you currently have open. Once you're in Adobe Express, open your design in the editor. You should be looking at the main editing workspace, where you can see your content and make changes. If needed, take a quick moment to confirm that everything in the project is ready to share before you generate the link. Next, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This will open the sharing options for your current design. Adobe Express places this option in an easy-to-find location, so if you're already in the editor, it should be visible right away. After that, look for the Access settings in the drop-down menu. Click the field that controls who has access. When you select it, the drop-down may refresh or reload, which is normal. Then click the Access field again if needed and choose the option that allows anyone with the link to open it. This setting is useful when you want to make sharing simple, especially if the recipient should be able to access the design directly from the link without extra steps. Once the access level is set, move to the next field to choose what the recipient is allowed to do. Here you'll select whether they should be an editor or a commenter. Choose editor if you want them to be able to make changes to the design. Choose commenter if you only want them to leave feedback without editing the project itself. This part is important because it controls how much access the other person will have after opening the link. When you're done with those settings, click Copy Link. This will copy the shareable Adobe Express link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as in a message, document, or email. And that's it. Your Adobe Express link is now ready to share. Just paste the copied link and send it to the person you want to collaborate with or get feedback from. If you ever need to change access later, you can always return to the Share menu and update the settings before sending the link again.